Hi friends, this is Aman Agarwal from Geek Institute. Now today I will discuss about force and laws of motion. So first topic is force. What is force? So class, we have studied earlier that what is force in class 7, class 8 and class 6. We all are studying that what is force. In 9th class also this topic comes that what is force. So anybody tell that what is force? I will tell you. Force is a push or pull which can change the direction of an object. Force is a kind of push or pull which can change the direction of object, can change the shape or size of an object, can change the state of an object. Class, listen. Force is a kind of push or pull which can change direction of a moving object, change shape or size of an object, change shape or size of an object, and third is change the state of an object, So class, these 3 points are important in case of force. That force is a kind of push or pull which can change direction of a moving object, change shape or size of an object, change the state of an object. Okay, this is the definition also, and this is the features of the force also. Okay, so if we talk about the formula, so force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, and force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Its unit is Newton. Or kilogram meter per second square. This is about force. Okay, force is a vector quantity. Its unit is Newton or kilogram meter per second square. Okay, class. We will talk to other topics in next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.